Ladies and gentlemen.
Now, as I told you that in this case, name was a parameter, in this case, number was a parameter. So it is not limited to this only. So the parameters are something like a placeholder for that value that function will receive when it is called. It means whenever you're going to call that function, it will receive some values with that function, and that value will be called as a parameter. So it allows the function to accept the input, making them versatile. It is applicable to the various scenarios and the situations or whatever things you are going to, wherever you are going to implement it. So parameters are defined within the parenthesis, following up with the names. So it's not limited to 1, 2, 3. As many numbers you wanted to write, you can. So let's write addition program using functions. So let's say if I'm saying def add, I'm writing a comma b because I need two numbers. Now I want addition of add is equal to a plus b. Now I wanted to return add. So whenever I will call it, I will write two numbers, 25 comma 26, and we are getting the output as an addition as well. So as many numbers, as many parameters you wanted to write, you can write. Even though if you are not sure about how many parameters you are going to use, so you can just write the asterisk symbol and the key. So that is what the parameter is in Python functions.